I've just landed at possibly the world's most beautiful airport in sunny Koh Samui in Thailand. I've spent the last like 6-7 hours, maybe a little bit more than that, traveling from Malaysia. I was in Kuala Lumpur for the last couple of days, just by myself, just chilling. And now I'm here in Thailand. It is very, very, very busy here. Yeah, I'm off to go meet a couple of Amazon friends. We're staying at this beautiful villa. It was literally like 10 grand a month or something absolutely insane, which considering we're in Thailand where everything's supposed to be pretty cheap, is a lot of money. So I'm expecting good things. And yeah, Sam, my lovely friend and fellow Amazon seller, should be waiting outside the terminal right now, ready to pick me up on an awesome dirt bike. Yeah, it's safe to say I'm pretty excited for the next couple of weeks. I'm very glad today it is sunny because this whole airport is like open air. And the last time I was here, I was leaving Koh Samui and it was absolutely pissing it down. I got so soaking wet. I'm all good. Happy it's nice and sunny today. I've realized as well, whilst recording this, I'm definitely a little bit sunburned and oh my God, I see Sam. Oh yes, hello Sam. Good to see ya.
Nice to see you again.
Mate, this is a fucking awesome bike. I'm kind of scared to be on the back. Is this the helmet you've got me? You're a lot more protected than I am.
That's got a small bike.
Yeah, all right, let's do this. Probably have to update you guys once I'm at the villa because I don't know if I'll be able to record and hold on to the back of Sam.
Hold on, let's get jolted.
Made it. I'm safe. Quite a jolty trip, but we're here now, up in the hills. See what this place is like. If it lives up to the hype. I've hyped it up in my head to be like some amazing place. Fucking hell, it does look good. There's yeah, I can tell. I didn't think it was even that sunny in Malaysia, but I look a little bit red. And this is Danny, filming a little vlog for the YouTube channel. Fuck yes! So of course this is a business trip, as you can see. We're all Amazon sellers, if the tax man is watching. Right, we're here in the 10 grand a month villa. Let's go do a little house tour with Sam.
Let's go check it out.
So this is the kind of kitchen area, pool out there, Danny's out there. It's pretty fucking nice. Oh yeah, there's another bathroom in here. And then let's go upstairs. Let's see what's up here. So Sam's already claimed the biggest bedroom. So yeah, pretty chuffed about that. Very happy to be here. I mean, no hate on Malaysia and Kuala Lumpur. It was a cool place to see, but I'm just not really a big city man. You know, it's just all like concrete and cars and yeah, it's just not for me really. Plus I was just by myself, so I was kind of bored to be honest. So it's great to actually be with some people I know. Beautiful island in the sun. It's a lot hotter here than it was in Malaysia. But yeah. Feeling fucking awesome, man. Shout out Jeff Bezos. I feel like I say this every time that I'm doing something cool, but for real, shout out Jeff Bezos. See, this place is expensive, but it's actually not the most expensive place I've ever stayed on Samui. I've actually stayed at a place called the Conrad Hotel with my girlfriend back in, I think about a couple years ago now. Crazy thinking that was actually a couple years ago. I have to put a couple videos and stuff on screen now because that place was fucking awesome. But the place was like 600 or 700 quid a night. We stayed for 5 nights. I probably wouldn't be staying a couple weeks there because it would just be crazy money. That place was gorgeous, but this place is at least a lot bigger. I mean, we had like a villa of sorts, but it was like a 1-bedroom sort of villa, kind of one massive room. I don't know what I'm waffling about at this point. I'm gonna go enjoy my beer and maybe I'll finish this vlog off later. Oh, Sam. Beautiful.
Cheers.
Right.
Oh my
Cheers.
God, that's
oh
a
yeah.
mega pint.
You what? Or the wine?
It's like a mega pint.
Yeah, I know. Look at put the glasses next to each other.
Yeah, but even the volume.
Yeah. Oops. definitely safe to say that after that absolutely massive glass of wine, we all went and had a pretty amazing night out in Samui. I mean, I didn't actually manage to get any more vlog videos for some reason, but it's probably for the best. I've pretty much spent most of today so far just sitting in the pool behind me, just waiting for the hangover to just disappear. But yeah, this beautiful place is going to be my home for the next few weeks. It's pretty crazy to say that, you know, being able to wake up in Koh Samui and run a business that is doing 30 grand profit a month and doing it all alongside Danny and Sam, who I'm staying with, you know, working from my laptops, just making crazy money. And I just want to say this, you know, none of this happened overnight. When I first started Amazon, I was at uni studying software engineering. I was working 8-hour days, trying to figure out sourcing, analyzing products, making mistakes, and just learning from them, as well as just reinvesting all of my capital back into the business. You know, there was nothing glamorous about it. Nowadays though, I work a couple hours per day on average, just analyzing the products my staff have found me. And all that has come only after building systems, you know, after outsourcing the prep, after hiring those VAs, and after mastering sourcing myself. The lifestyle, the travel, the freedom, this beautiful villa, it's all a byproduct of just getting really, really good at one simple thing: buying profitable products and selling them on Amazon. So if you are watching this and you're thinking, you know, I want that, just understand it is possible, but you need capital and you need skill and you need to actually take it seriously. If you want to see exactly how I'm able to run this business out here in Thailand, how I go about sourcing, what I'm actually buying, and how you can build something similar for yourself, then make sure you're subscribed. And if you are serious about starting or scaling your Amazon FBA business, click the top link in the video description and book in a free call with me. I can then personally go through your situation and show you what it would take to get to 5K, 10K, or even a 30K profit month. But anyway, I'm off to go karting, so I'll catch you guys in the next one.